Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making a bridal press-on set. If you're interested in this kind of content, then sit back, relax and enjoy this video. I'll be doing an acrylic press-on set, and I'll be using this custom acrylic powder I mixed a while ago. I'll be showing you just the application for just 2 nail tips, so that this video won't be unnecessarily long. I'm sure you guys are familiar with my acrylic application routine now. My bride is a minimalist. She doesn't want something too loud, and she doesn't want something too long, so that's why we are going with this medium length nail tips. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Yadira Berti. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all, so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm patting the back down so that the acrylic can be flush at the back, at the cuticle area. When you're making an acrylic press-on set, you have to be extra careful not to make the acrylic application bulky, so as to make the filing easy for you. So this client of mine sends me a picture of what she wants, and I'll be doing something close to what she sent to me. I'm going to be inserting the picture that she sent to me here, so you can see it and also compare with the final look of this set. So this is what she wants here. I don't like copying nail styles, but sometimes you just have to do what the client wants. So I'll be making sure I do something close to that nail design, but not exactly what she sent. So I like to be talking about my YouTube growth. I didn't envisage that my YouTube growth would be this slow. I think I started this YouTube channel sometime last year, June or July, thereabout, during the lockdown. And ever since, I've been growing little by little. And it's a little bit disheartening, when you're putting out great content, you're not getting what you want from the platform. Honestly, it is sad. Comparing my YouTube growth with my TikTok growth, I think I'm doing fine and I'm doing better on TikTok than on YouTube, because I started my TikTok about 6 weeks ago and I have more followers than what I have on YouTube, which I started about 9 months ago. I was told to post consistently on YouTube and also post great content, and that is what I've been doing. But I just noticed that my watch hour is not increasing that much. My subscribers are not increasing the way I expect them to be increasing. And I'm just wondering why, honestly, because I see some people that we started together, maybe doing some other content, or new YouTubers as well. See, they're really moving at a very fast pace. I don't know why my channel is not moving at the rate at which others are moving. If you're watching this video and you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider watching this video till the end to help my analytics. Also, you can like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, to help my channel grow. Thank you. Let's get back to this press-on set. So I like using this Rosalind white gel polish because it is very pigmented. With just one coat, you can get your desired effect. So it will make the nails look too bulky, So I'll be doing this just once. I'll be doing it in front and at the back near the cuticle area. Some other white gel polish from other products are not this pigmented, so that you have to do them twice, except you are using their painting gel. This Rosalind white gel polish can also serve as a painting gel because it's thick and is well pigmented. I'll cure this for 60 seconds before I apply the gold flakes. Honestly, if I can do without drawing on nails, I'll love that because I don't really like drawing. And when I see people like Yadira Berti and Tommy from PQ Colony channel drawing on the nails, I always think they are super humans. There are 3 nail tubers I'd like to thank for their constant support. They always watch my videos and leave comments. And I'll be leaving their names on the screen and also their channel links in the description box so you can check them out and say hello to them. I'll be using that base coat from SXC to glue or to fix the gold flakes to the nail tips. I can either cure the base coat before I put the gold flakes or do it while it's still wet, but I chose to do it while it's still wet so I can be able to pat the gold flakes to make them very flat. If you're still watching this video and you like what you're seeing, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. Just click on the little red button below which says subscribe, and that's it. After I'm sure that the gold flakes has covered the line, the thin line that I want to cover, I'm going to pat it down a little bit more, then cure it for 30 seconds and also apply to the other side of the nail tip. If there's any particular tutorial you'd like to see more on my channel, kindly let me know in the comment section. On this channel I do acrylic nail tutorials, I do poly gel tutorials, I do product reviews, I do press-on nail tutorials, and the poly gel is divided into 2. I do the poly gel on tips tutorial and also the lazy gel method tutorial. So if there's anyone you would like to see more, kindly let me know in the comment section. I really don't like talking much in my videos because I get tired of talking easily, and I'm a fast talker. So that means when I'm doing my videos, I have to talk one by one, pause, talk, and continue. But in this particular video, I have talked more than halfway through this video, and honestly, I'm proud of myself. Please don't ask me to talk more in my videos because I don't see this happening again anytime soon. I prefer to just introduce myself in the video and just play that wonderful song I enjoy playing. I'm sure most of you know those songs by now. I love those songs because they are danceable songs. And apart from that, I'm not really a music person, so I'm limited in the kind of music I listen to. But when I listen to these songs by Christine, it was a cover song she did, I fell in love with it and I've been using it ever since. Please like this video, leave a comment, and also share to anyone that might be interested in learning something new. And if you like me to do a press-on set for you, you can send me a DM on Instagram. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. And if you'd like me to do a collaboration with you as well, you can send me a DM on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, bye.